Namaste, I am Prajisha, TGT Maths, working in Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2, Kochi. I would like to give my review about the book Angels and Demon by Dan Brown. I got the book from our library. In one word, it is an exhilarating piece of fiction. A thriller which is based upon a debate between science and religion. We all know that science and religion are the two different faces of the same coin. Which are totally different but could not be separated from each other. The interesting part of the book is that it reveals about lot of historical fact or myths like about existence of secret societies, ambigram like Illuminati, etc., which all are very interesting to know about. And the next interesting thing in this book is the places. Like in this book, the author is explaining what was happening in CERN, in Rome, and Vatican City. So when we read it, we really feel that we are walking through the lanes of Rome. We are walking through that CERN institute. The thing is really we are able to imagine the real Rome in our own way. If your genre is thriller, I would really recommend you to go through the book Angels and Demon. Not only Angels and Demon, all the series from the Dan Brown about the ideal character Robert Langdon are awesome thrillers. Almost all the books are a page turner. You will not stop reading until you reach the climax. So I feel it is really interesting and it is really awesome to read these books. I recommend Angels and Demon and the remaining series from Dan Brown also. Thank you.